one thing is that we must get an amicable solution. We want to share with the world what is happening in Homa Bay. We are protesting against inflation in the country, against the high prices of food in the country. We want to appeal to the government so that the Prime Minister, the former Prime Minister, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, can sit down and talk with His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto so that we can get an amicable solution for this. Because as you see right now, we are seeing protesters who are very much protesting against the high inflation. In fact, since August last year, after elections, Kenyans have not had something to eat. The high prices of food. We've also had what Mr. Ruto is trying to give us, that is going to increase school fees for university students. That is something that we are not going to accept as a youth. In fact, right now we know that 70% of Kenya's population are youths. But even right now, the mortality rates in the country have increased.
But Kenya has almost 48 million of people. So he must sit down and know how he can serve all of these people. Because in Kenya, we have a lot of hunger. So like me today, yesterday I sleep without anything put on the table. So I don't know where the money is. So that's the problem why we are suffering. So he must come down and talk with other leaders.